Are you wondering how the present continuous tense can be used? Well, fret no more. You just came across a sentence with the present continuous tense. In this video, you will learn all that you need to know what the present continuous tense is, its definitions, usage, structure, and rules of usage. Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. Let's start present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used for an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. Principle. The verb of Hindi sentence which ends with रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं, etc. is known as present continuous tense. Rules. Auxiliary verb or helping verb am is are is used in this tense. V1 plus ing or V4 is used. Now let's know the structure for assertive sentences. I plus am plus V1 plus ing plus object. He oblique she oblique it oblique singular number plus each plus V1 plus ing plus object. We oblique you oblique they oblique plural number plus r plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example. I am speaking to you. She is writing a novel. They are playing cricket. Structure for negative sentences. I plus am plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. He oblique she oblique it oblique singular number plus each plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. We oblique you oblique they oblique plural number plus r plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Examples. He is not watching TV. They are not going to Delhi. These are examples for present continuous negative sentences. Now let's know the structure for interrogative sentences. Am oblique is oblique are plus subject plus V1 plus ing plus object. Are you playing chess? Is she taking tea? These are examples of present continuous tense and interrogative sentences. Now interrogative negative sentences. Am oblique is oblique are plus subject plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example. Isn't she playing cricket? Aren't they going to Ranchi? And now next, WH word or question word. So let's know the structure. What, where, when, why, who, whom, which, how, plus am oblique is oblique are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example. Where are you going? How is she coming? So these were the examples of present continuous tense and I hope you understood well. However, if you have any doubt, queries, you may write in comment sections of this video. And for more information and for more knowledge, click the playlist of this video and watch our other videos posted earlier. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye.